beautiful Kovalam sea beach in the afternoon. So very beautiful, and we are heading towards our hotel, Hotel Neelkantha Beach Resort, जो कि बिल्कुल ही समुद्र है। ये जो आपको दिख रहा है ये सी साइड के एकदम पास में ही है। तो we are taking a walk into our hotel. There are a lot of shops in the adjoining areas, very close to the sea, and good cafes also. Rock Cafe restaurant, a special sizzler and kadhai. तो खाने के लिए तो कोई दिक्कत होनी नहीं चाहिए. It's so close to the sea, and you also have a lot of what do I call it, छोटे छोटे शॉप्स जहाँ से आप गिफ्ट आइटम्स खरीद सकते हो, टैटू शॉप्स, एंड ऐसे लोकल परचेसेस करने के लिए लोगों को जो सामान चाहिए वो भी यहाँ से आप ले सकते हो. एंड वी आर हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स आवर होटल. तो मेरे इर्द गिर्द चारों पास बिल्कुल सी है. सो इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस. आई वुड हैव लव्ड टू स्टे हियर फॉर अ डे और टू मोर, considering the location of this place, but unfortunately our tour will end tomorrow at Trivandrum and we'll have to check out from our hotel. तो मैं हमारे होटल जाते वक्त का जो नज़ारा है, जो व्यू है, just beside the sea beach, right hand side is the sea beach, और ये साइड पे इतने सारे दुकान है. तो ये क्रॉस करके हम लोग अभी हमारे YouTube viewers, I have arrived at my hotel for today, which is the Neelkantha Beach Resort, and it is a lovely resort. And मैं आपको दिखा दूँ, बस resort के सामने ही beach है. So you can well imagine the location is like absolutely amazing. In terms of location, I will give it a 5 on 5, and we will now quickly check into our hotel. This hotel seems to be a very beautiful hotel which will give us the sea view, क्योंकि सामने ही इतना सुंदर नज़ारा है, सी है, तो इसका व्यू, इसका नज़ारा तो चाहिए बिल्कुल रूप से. तो चले आइए हमारे साथ अंदर और देखते हैं इसमें कैसी अमेनिटीज़ है, कैसी है ये होटल. बने रहिए हमारे साथ. बस दिस इज़ द व्यू फ्रॉम माई होटल. आई थिंक दिस इज़ द बेस्ट होटल दैट वी हैव गॉट so far from Paradise Hotels of all the stays that we've had, because location wise it is absolutely blissful, and my partner seems to be having a lot of fun out here. This is the hotel where we will stay for the night. Also has swimming pool, so since my son enjoys swimming, we've opted for this sort of a hotel where he can stay and enjoy his stay at this beautiful place called Kovalam. And this is the lovely Kovalam beach for all my YouTube viewers. मैं चाहती हूँ, and that is the lighthouse. Abir, that is the lighthouse where we will be visiting in the evening. This is tremendous. It's superb. You're happy, Abir?
But I have to confess one thing.
Yes.
That I am no more the partner of Robin.
Oh, Abir wants to leave this channel. He doesn't want to be, how kids have their mood swings and all of that. But he seems to be enjoying it. In my hotel is this beautiful Ayurveda center where you can have traditional Ayurveda massage and Panchakarma center. So to rejuvenate yourself, to relax yourself, there are so many things that you can choose from. Yeah, you have Ayurvedic massage, foot massage, Shirodhara, head and spine massage. I've already done some of this in Thekadi, but yeah, this is good. If you see that in your hotel you have such facilities, this is certainly a bonus for us. Hotel at Neelkantha Beach Resort. This is the decor, very nice, pleasant. It's got all the teas, होता है जनरली एक रात के, तो सब कुछ ही है इस होटल में. आपको सभी मिल जाए, सारी फैसिलिटीज है. एंड दिस इज द व्यू दैट यू कैन गेट फ्रॉम माई होटल रादर, जहाँ पर मैं भी हूँ. पूल है और सामने ही बीच है, सो दैट क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग. और बाहर जो मुझे दिख रहा है मेरे रूम से, वो भी मैं आपको दिखा दूँ. So it's got a sliding door, and you've got chairs and a table so that you can sit and relax and यहाँ का नज़ारा ले सकते हो. तो this is a very good hotel, I would say, here at Kovalam, and it's got all the basic amenities जो भी चाहिए होता है जैसे मैंने आपको बताया. And the bathroom, the most important part, that is very important, वो भी देख लेते हैं. Yeah, it's got all the important toiletries and things. Yeah, bathing area is a separate area. So overall, yeah, I'm loving every bit of this hotel. I seem to be very happy.